Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great, and today we have, as you see on my PC, cumulative update preview for Windows 11 version 23H2 for 64 base. This system KB number 5034204, and we have cumulative update preview for Net Framework 3.5 and 4.8.1 for Windows 11, same version 23H2 64 based, KB number 5034467. And what's important for me is this, is cumulative this update, and we'll see what is new now. I just download this, and if you are on the release preview, just go and check your PCs, turn it on this. You see among the first to get the latest non-security updates, fixes, and improvements they roll out. So if you want to they roll out the latest updates, you must of course turn it on. And now just I'm downloading, and we'll see what is new for this framework and the cumulative update. What is important for me now, it's this. Now see what is new. I didn't be these days on the near my PC, so I'll see on the Microsoft site what is new, what is fixed, what is I don't know, whatever. And subscribe on my channel if you are not, and watch my channel. Click the bell icon to receive another my videos, what will came out, and I'll record what is new and what is fixed, what is not fixed, or whatever on this cumulative update. Like I said, see here what I'm just downloading. So guys, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching, and bye.